So you threw some plants out in the garden, and now you're starting to see some of your tomato leaves turn white. As you can see, these little seedlings are starting to get white leaves on them. They are not the only ones. There are a few different ones with white spots, like right here. Why are your previously super healthy green tomato plants turning white? This usually happens whenever you first put them outside, whether that's to harden them off or to put them in the garden. Most people see this in its most extreme form in the garden. With these, I set them out on the porch, but I didn't put them in the right spot. I put them too far outward so that they would get more sunlight. I didn't mean to do that, and I left them for about 6 hours, I believe it was. So it's not too extreme except for this one right here. These plants have been in the sunlight before, but they have been on the counter under a grow light for about a week now because we kept having some low temperatures that were a little too low, and it was easier for me to keep these under a grow light. It was one less flat that I had to move back and forth inside and out. When I did that yesterday, they definitely were not a big fan of being in direct sunlight. So what is this called? It is called Sunscald. It's the same thing as a sunburn. The thing is, these leaves are not going to heal up. They will not heal. So what you see here will die off. Those leaves are still good, but they're going to grow more leaves right there from the center, and they will be just fine. Your plants will likely be just fine. They may drop a lot of leaves, they may slow down a little. This one was going to be plugged out anyways. I think it was super late to germinate, but I still have this one right here. And whenever I put them out, some of them were already a little bit taller than they were when they were first outside, and they got blown over a little bit. So you see a lot of them leaning here because their stems weren't good and strong as they weren't out in the wind. They are staying outside as of now, and I'm going to continue putting them in the sunlight to prepare them for transplant because these will be living outside. I'm just going to forge forward. I'm not going to try to give them time to recuperate. I am simply going to put them back where they were on the porch for a few more hours today, late this afternoon, and this morning. I'm going to avoid the midday sun. It doesn't look like there will be any more freezes in the near future, so I think we're safe to plant. I have to finish hardening them off. I have to get them ready because they are going to be planted in a small kiddie pool outside in the yard. I do want to show a little bit of distinction here. So here you see where these are kind of dappled in a way. It's more widespread. They're kind of dappled. That's definitely directly related to just being in the sun. With this one, you can see that this little leaf here was kind of shading it. You can see the angle on that leaf there. See where it was shaded? And the rest of the leaf is bleached out. Again, just direct sun exposure. But here we have this. Sometimes these spots like this, they're more related to having droplets of water. You'll see like the extreme heavy bleaching, but the rest of the leaf will be fine. A lot of times that's just due to water being on the leaf, and water, whenever it's on a plant's leaf, acts like a magnifying glass. Like how you'll burn more whenever you're in a pool or swimming in a river because your skin is wet. Same thing with the plants. Water droplets will cause more severe burning, and it can be more localized if there is a drop sitting on the leaf. As your plants hang out in the sunlight, we'll use this one again for an example. As your plants hang out in the sunlight, the leaves become accustomed to the sunlight, much like getting a tan. You can see this leaf was nearly unaffected, and it was shading this one. This leaf is just so much more damaged than this leaf is. And it's because this one likely matured in the sun yesterday. This one was a little older, and was not accustomed to being in the sun at all. So if your tomato plants have some white spots on them, do not worry. They will recover, or they should recover. I've never actually lost tomato plants from this unless they're really tiny seedlings like this. But even this one looks like it'll recover, and this is a pretty poor seedling right here. And if you're wondering why there are little bitties in this tray, it's because one, I came through and replanted some that did not sprout. That one just never did anything. And some of them, like these over here, were part of my recent tomato order. So how do you prevent this situation? Well, you simply harden off your plants. It's a very important step. You have to harden off your plants, but sometimes you're a little forgetful like me, and you leave your plants out in the sun for a little too long while hardening off. That's okay. The world will continue to spin. Everything's going to be just fine. Just give them a little break and give them a few more hours in the sun tomorrow. I'm not giving them a break. They're going back in. They're just not going to deal with midday sun today. That was my mistake. But, I mean, the damage is relatively minor. It really is. The damage is pretty minimal because these plants have encountered sunlight before. As I've said, they didn't come straight out from under the grow lights, never seen the sunlight before. They actually stayed outside for quite some time, and they came inside for a while. So some of these leaves were just more sensitive because they had not been in the sunlight. So again, follow a good hardening off procedure, and you shouldn't see too much of this, honestly. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great day.